I'm interested in this bit here, not the strong bit. Yeah, that bit. Purchase complete, something, 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 dollars. I want that. And then I want to put it in here. So let's go finish the screen. Yeah, I went for a coffee break. Well over 3-hour coffee break. It's holidays here in Zurich at the moment, so it's a joke. I'm actually in a nuclear bunker. Okay, so what did we get? Yeah, we got this. Okay. And now, let's just drag it over. See what happens. It's in work. We need to verify. Let's have a quick look in here. I've changed the resolution so the legally blind amongst you can actually see what's going on. Okay, so the inner text contains the thing. Okay, I think we're going to have to change that later. But if we go over here and we say we want to verify the inner text equals this, that would probably work for what we have right now. Hey, how about we try it? Yeah, cool. We are on the path to righteousness. Yeah, I like that. Cool. But this number is going to change each time. So, see that bit there? That has to be replaced with a dynamic buffer. XB. XB. I think it's XB. Total. And then we want to enter the total thing, don't we? Is it XB? I'm not sure. Let me check. Let's just change it when you buffer. Let me put that in there. So let's see what happens. F6. Okay. Yeah, that was quick. Alright. Well, that's a different number now. Let's try with a different number. Now the number has changed, so we can't find it, I suspect. Let me see. Container. That container, it's looking for that container, and that's no longer what we're working with. It was not found. Why was it not found? Because it's not because of that. That's okay. It's because of this, I think. Inner text. Yeah, it's got a very specific amount in there, and because it's looking for that, it isn't going to find it. So let's make it a little bit more flexible. In other words, we charge the total of whatever. Now let's see if it finds it now. Yep, that seems to work. Alright guys, now, what do we do next? Can anybody guess? Anybody who's following this stuff should now have a reasonable understanding of what I do, of how I think. So we can do this, right? Preconditions, process, post conditions. Let's try this. Let's see if we can create a folder structure out of what we got in the buffer. I thought we could create a folder structure using what was in the copy and paste buffer. No? It's been a while. That's disappointing. No way of doing that, huh? Recovery scenario while test case. Alright, so that's not ideal. Precondition. Process. Post condition. We got our little process in there, our little thingy in there. Our precondition is, as usual, open URL. Paste that in there without a retry. And post condition would be, what would it be? Close browser. That's Tricentis obstacle course, isn't it? Let's see if that runs. Yeah, that runs fine. Let's see if we can open that. Didn't work fine. It opened up Chrome. Do you know why? It's because I didn't create a test configuration parameter called browser, and then without spaces, Internet Explorer. Let's try that again. F6. Great. I'm not going to rename that because actually I might well. Let's say was an XB. What's an XB stand for again? Let's do some googling. Tosca XB action mode. Dynamic comparison is the XBuffer. Okay. So it's an XBuffer. Okay. A bit long, isn't it? Well, that's the best I can do at the moment, off the top of my head. From the top. Actually, collapse everything. I just want to see. This is very appealing to those who have OCD, obsessive compulsive disorder. Then you can open up these things and it's kind of neat. You don't need to say how we did it. You just say capture total amount and paste it into the total amount field. That's much better. Okay, and then close browser. Without recording anything in an execution list, let's just see if it does what it is supposed to do. Bingo bango. Job done. Verification was successful. Expression something something. Purge InnerText equals actual value was purchased amount. Okay. Well, that's one good thing that we've done. We also need to grab. Go to this folder. And we need to put that into our process. Verify is equal to true. Verify exists. Maybe enabled. Visible. It always just comes up with click. Let's just say visible is equal to true. Okay. Here we go. One more time. Happy days. Works like a charm. Let's stop that.